Tired of stubborn belly fat holding you back? What if I told you that just 15 minutes a day, no gym and zero equipment is all you need? That's right, these 10 easy, fun and fat-burning exercises can help you shed that belly and feel confident again right from your living room. Ready to see real change? Let's begin. Welcome to today's powerful 15-minute workout designed specifically to target and reduce belly fat from the comfort of your home. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or looking to tone your core fast, these 10 easy exercises will help you melt fat, tighten your midsection, and boost your metabolism. No crash diets. No equipment. Just smart, effective movement and only 15 minutes a day. Each of the 10 exercises you'll do today focuses on activating your entire core while keeping your heart rate elevated to increase calorie burn. You'll do each move for 45 seconds with 15 seconds of rest in between. You can follow along in real time or watch and repeat the video later. And remember, fitness isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Every rep you complete brings you closer to a healthier, more confident version of yourself. So clear your space, grab some water, and let's get started. This isn't just a workout, it's a transformation waiting to happen. Let's say goodbye to belly fat starting right now. Exercise 1. Standing oblique crunches. Start by standing tall, feet shoulder width apart. Place your hands behind your head, elbows wide. Now lift your right knee toward your right elbow as you crunch your side. Return to start and alternate sides. Move slowly and focus on the squeeze each time your knee meets your elbow. This exercise targets the obliques, the side abdominal muscles that give your waist that tapered, toned look. It's also a fantastic way to get your heart pumping without hitting the floor. Standing moves are great for improving posture, mobility, and core stability, especially if you're new to working out or want to avoid pressure on your spine. Do this for 45 seconds, then take a 15-second break. You'll begin to feel heat in your sides as your muscles engage. Try not to jerk your torso. Controlled movement is key. The more you engage your core intentionally, the more effective each rep becomes. Belly fat doesn't stand a chance when you combine oblique work with light cardio like this. Keep breathing, stay tall, and visualize your results. This is your first win, now let's keep going. Exercise 2. Reverse crunches. Lie flat on your back, arms at your sides or hands beneath your glutes for support. Bend your knees and lift them toward your chest. As your knees rise, gently lift your hips off the floor, then slowly lower them back down. Reverse crunches target the lower abdominal area where fat often lingers. Unlike regular crunches, which emphasize the upper abs, this variation activates those stubborn lower muscles that are essential for sculpting a tight core. Keep your movements controlled, don't swing or use momentum. Exhale as you lift your hips and inhale as you return. You should feel your abs doing all the work, not your legs. It's okay if your range of motion is small at first, focus on form. This move is powerful when done with intention. It also engages the pelvic muscles, improving overall core strength and stability. It's one of the most effective of exercises because it really forces your core to lift against gravity. Aim for steady reps for 45 seconds. Trust me, by the end you'll feel your lower belly tightening. That's progress happening in real time. Keep pushing. Exercise 3. Mountain climbers. Get into a plank position with your hands under your shoulders. Now drive your knees toward your chest one at a time as if you're sprinting horizontally. Keep your back flat, core tight, and hips low. Mountain climbers are the ultimate belly fat burning combo. They're part core workout, part cardio burst. They ignite your metabolism while sculpting your abs, shoulders, and legs. You're literally setting your body on fire in the best way. Stay light on your toes and maintain a steady rhythm. If you can't go fast at first, that's okay, speed will come with time. What matters most is that your body stays aligned and your abs stay engaged. The beauty of mountain climbers is that they don't just burn fat, they build endurance, improve coordination, and torch calories. You'll feel your heart pounding, your core shaking, and that's exactly what we want. Breathe through the burn and stay focused. Remember why you started. This is your belly fat fighting cardio booster, and it's working. Exercise 4. Leg raises. Lie on your back with your legs straight. Place your hands under your glutes to support your lower back. Raise both legs up until they're vertical, then slowly lower them just above the ground. Leg raises are a gold standard for lower belly fat because they isolate the lower abdominals without straining the neck. They also improve pelvic control and core strength. What makes this move challenging is resisting the urge to let gravity drop your legs. The slower you lower them, the harder your abs work. Exhale as you raise your legs and inhale as you lower. If it feels too intense, bend your knees slightly or limit the range. Progression is part of the journey. This movement builds deep abdominal control, which flattens the belly over time. And because you're on the floor, there's minimal impact on your joints. Stay focused, breathe deeply, and picture your results. This one might feel tough, but every rep is pulling you closer to your flat stomach goals. Keep those legs moving. Exercise 5. Plank hip dips. Start in a forearm plank position. Your elbows should be directly under your shoulders, and your body in a straight line from head to heels. Slowly rotate your hips to one side, dipping them toward the floor. Then return to center and dip to the other side. Continue alternating. This move torches your entire core, especially your obliques, while improving your balance and control. Plank hip dips are perfect for sculpting a lean, toned waist. Unlike crunches, this engages multiple muscles at once: abs, glutes, shoulders, and lower back, while maintaining core tension. It's a slow, controlled movement that delivers massive results. The key here is control, don't rush. Each dip should be deliberate and smooth. Your abs should be tight throughout the entire movement. Stay steady for 45 seconds. You'll feel a deep burn in your core as the twists challenge your balance. That's what makes it so effective. Think of this move as carving your waistline from every angle. Keep breathing, hold your plank strong, and finish every rep. You've got this. Exercise 6. Bicycle crunches. Lie flat on your back with your hands behind your head and legs lifted off the ground, knees bent at 90 degrees. As you lift your upper body, twist your torso so your right elbow moves toward your left knee while extending your right leg. Then switch sides in a pedaling motion. Bicycle crunches are among the most effective abdominal exercises. They engage the entire core, hitting both the upper and lower abs along with the obliques. The twisting motion mimics riding a bicycle, but you're doing way more for your waistline than a casual ride ever could. The secret to success with this move is control over speed. Many people go too fast and miss the core engagement. You want to twist with purpose, really squeezing each time your elbow and opposite knee connect. Keep your chin lifted, elbows wide, and focus on breathing out during each twist. This is one of those moves that gives you visible results when done consistently. It carves out definition and helps shrink that stubborn midsection. Do this for 45 seconds. If your abs are on fire halfway through, good. That means it's working. You're rewriting your core with every rep. Exercise 7. Russian twists. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet flat or slightly lifted off the ground for more intensity. Lean back slightly to engage your core. Clasp your hands together and twist your torso from side to side, tapping the floor on each side. Russian twists are amazing for working the obliques and transverse abdominis, the muscles that pull everything in and tighten your waist. The twisting motion also improves spinal mobility and targets deep core muscles that typical crunches miss. If you want to up the intensity, hold a water bottle or light dumbbell. But even without weights, the movement alone creates serious tension in the midsection, forcing your core to stabilize through each turn. Make sure your back stays straight and your movements are slow and purposeful. Swinging your arms or rushing won't help. This is all about core control. And just 45 seconds, you'll feel a major burn on the sides of your abs. And that's exactly what you want. These muscles don't just look good, they support posture, spine health, and overall strength. Twist with intention and let your waistline thank you later. Exercise 8. Flutter kicks. Lie on your back with your legs extended and your arms under your glutes. Lift both legs about 6 inches off the ground and alternate, kicking them up and down in a quick scissor-like motion. Keep your lower back pressed into the floor and your core engaged throughout. Flutter kicks are a killer lower ab exercise and a fantastic way to increase core endurance and burn belly fat fast. The constant leg motion keeps the core activated non-stop, building deep muscle control and endurance. This move may look simple, but don't be fooled, it demands strength and focus. You'll quickly feel the burn in your lower abdominals, especially if you keep the movement tight and controlled. The key is not to let your lower back arch, that takes the work away from your abs. Exhale as you kick and inhale steadily. Start slow and build up speed once you're comfortable. If you feel your form slipping, pause for a second, reset, and go again. After 45 seconds, your abs will be screaming, but that's progress happening. These kicks are short, powerful, and oh so effective. Flutter your way to flat abs. Exercise 9. High knees. Stand tall with feet hip width apart. Quickly march or jog in place, bringing your knees as high as possible toward your chest. Pump your arms like you're running. Move as fast as you can while maintaining good posture and form. High knees are not only an effective belly fat blaster, they also get your whole body moving, torching calories and elevating your heart rate. This is a powerful fat-burning cardio exercise that also tightens your lower abs, especially when you consciously engage your core during the movement. Important to stay light on your feet and land softly. Focus on driving your knees high and keeping your upper body upright. If you can't go fast at first, do a slower march. You'll still get great benefits. High knees are a metabolism booster, meaning they keep your body burning fat long after the workout ends. This move also strengthens your legs and improves balance and coordination. Oh, this move for 45 seconds and don't hold back. Push your pace, breathe strong, and go for it. This is your fat-melting, calorie-crushing cardio move. Let's finish strong. Exercise 10. Plank to knee taps. Begin in a high plank position, wrists under shoulders, body in a straight line. Keeping your core tight, lift your right hand to tap your left knee, then return to plank. Repeat on the other side, alternating taps while maintaining a strong plank form. This move targets your entire core, including the abs, obliques, and stabilizers, while keeping your upper body engaged. It's great for improving balance, strengthening your shoulders, and building a stable foundation. Not just holding a plank here, you're adding a functional twist that forces your core to work harder to maintain stability as you move. It's like combining a plank crunch and balance drill in one powerful exercise. The slower and more controlled your taps, the more your core engages. Avoid lifting your hips or letting them sag. Keep your body flat and focus on drawing your belly button toward your spine with every movement. This is your final move. Go all in for 45 seconds. Tap strong, stay tight, and finish like a warrior. You made it this far, now claim your victory. And just like that, your 15-minute belly fat blast is complete. How are you feeling? Sweaty, strong, and empowered? You should be, because what you just did wasn't just exercise, it was an investment in a healthier, stronger, and more confident you. These 10 easy workouts are more than a routine, they're a blueprint for transformation. Done daily or even just a few times a week, they'll help you burn fat, tone your core, and boost your energy without the need for fancy equipment or a gym membership. Remember, consistency is key. The more you show up, the more your body will respond. Pair these moves with good hydration, balanced nutrition, and plenty of rest, and you'll be amazed at the results. So what's next? If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more free workouts, and hit the bell so you never miss a challenge. Drop a comment below and tell us which exercise burned the most. You've already taken the first step, now keep going. This is your journey, and we're with you every rep of the way. See you in the next workout.